Hello students, you are studying here chapter 14 statistics. Previous lecture I have told you the mean will be calculated by two methods, assumed mean method and step deviation method. Deviation, that is called assumed mean, or shortcut method, that is called the step deviation method, and one is direct method. Here the values are given for the female teachers in different states. You want to find out the mean teachers per state. So for this we will calculate the example number 2 of your NCERT. Example number 1, like example number 1 questions I have told you in the previous lecture by all the methods. Here you will see, first you calculate the 15 to 25, 20. What is the class size given here? Class size and the total number of the teachers are given here. Total 35 teachers are there. How many teachers are there? 35 teachers. 35 teacher, which is called the sigma fi. And you want to find out class size is same. You are free to choose both the methods, di or ui, deviation and step deviation, assume mean or mean method, or step deviation method, or shortcut method, both ui and di. So xi you will calculate. What is the xi? Class mark 15 plus 25, 15 plus 25 by 2, 50 by 2, 40. What are you getting? 20. So you are getting its xi is 20. What is the class size? 10. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 10, 80. It is the xi. Then next column, according to the deviation method, here you will write di is equal to xi minus a by deviation method. So what is the a? First you calculate the a. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can take 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 this side, 3 this side, total what is the 50 is the a. I have taken 50 is as a. So in this, what will you get? In front of this you will write FIDI column. In this both the columns you will get 0, because 50 minus 50 0, and then you will get minus 10, minus 20, minus 30. Like this you will get. And down you will get plus 10, plus 20, plus 30. How will you get that? You see, x1 minus a, 20 minus 50 minus 30. x2 minus a, 30 minus 40 minus 20. Here x4, x5 minus a, 60 minus 50, 10. Like this you will get. Multiply fi, it is your fi. What is this? Fi into di. 6 3 is 18, 180. 11 2 is 22, 220. 7 1 is 7, minus 70. Here 4 10 is 40. 4 2 is 8, 80. 31 is 30. So what are you getting? Plus 150 at this place. Here what are you getting? Minus 470 there. So what is the sigma fi di? In this column you will write down sigma fi di. It is sigma fi. Here you will get the sigma fi di, means sum of all. So 5 minus 2, 7 minus 5 2, 7 minus 5 2, 4 minus 1 3, minus 320. Minus 320 is, so what is the d bar? D bar will be a sigma fi di upon sigma fi. That will be minus 320 upon 35. 5 7 is 35. 5 6 is 30. 5 4 is 20. So you will get minus 64 by 7. So what is the x bar? A plus d bar. That is 50 plus minus 64 by 7. So 50 minus 9.1. 9.14 if you take, then subtract 40 here, 9 minus 90, 40.86. What are you getting? That is, you are getting, simply you are getting 3. So answers 4, 20 to the 40. Here one wrong I have written. 4 to the 20 to the 40. What is there? Some calculation mistakes you will get here. 4 bar plus 4 8 plus 3 11. Here 11. So that's why you are getting here 6 and 1 7 6 60. So here 36. You will get the 36. So 36 means 5 7 35. 72. 72 you will get. And then 72, 7 1 ja 10 ja, 7 10 ja, 7 10 ja, you will get here, answer will be changed. So that's minor change here. So you will get 10.4. 7 2 ja 14. 29 that you are getting here. What are you getting? Approx 29 because after this 9. So 10.29 will be 10 minus 9 1 7 2 and here you are getting 9 and 3. 39.71. 39.71 is the maximum. This you are getting, but same method you will apply for the second part also. If you want to calculate by UI, then here 1 2 3, same thing. If you want to calculate this by UI method, what is the UI method? Step deviation method, that is called the shortcut method. So same thing you will get. You can change this only. What will you change? Only the formulas will be changed and you will get the here at the place of this. What will you write? Other thing is same, this calculation. Here you write the UI is equal to xi minus a upon h, and here you will write fi u1. In both the line where you had assumed a is equal to 50, h is equal to 10, class size. And then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. So 6 3 ja 18, 11 2 ja 22, 7 1 ja 7. Here 4 1 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 3 1 ja 3. 11 plus here 47 minus, and here sigma fi ui. Sigma fi ui, what will you get? Sigma fi ui, that will be 36 minus 36. So x bar is equal to a plus hu bar. So what is the a? 50 plus 10 into minus 36 upon 35. Minus 36 upon 35. Your answer will be again same. What will you get? You can get 50 minus 360 upon 35. What you have got in the previous, same thing you will get in the 50 minus 10.29 approx you will get 39.71. Same answer you will get here also. Like this you can do that. It is a deviation and step deviation method. Example number 3 is also given in your book, which is given in the only DI method is applied. Here number of wickets is given 20 to 60. Number of wickets is given 20 to 60. Example 3 is given here. 20 to 60, 60 to 100, 100 to 150, 150 to 250, 250 to 350, 350 to 450. It is given. And then number of bowlers. That is FI. It is a class interval. It is given 7, 5, 16, 12, 2, 5. You will get the 2, 3. 12, 2, 3. $45. It is a sigma Fi. Sigma Fi you are getting. But you can't use here is shortcut method. You will use only the method which is called the, because 60 and 20 has a 40 difference, here 40 difference, but here 50 difference, here 100 difference is there. So class size is not same. So only you use the one first xi and then di. Di is equal to xi minus a, and then fi di. Deviation method you can use or you are free to use direct method. 40. What will you get here? 40. Then 160, 80. Lower limit plus upper limit by 2, 160 by 2. 250 by 2, 125. Then 400, here you will get 200. 600, and then you will get the 300. What will you get? 300, and then 800. In this you will get the 400. 400 is your this. Then out of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any one you can take A. It is A, then here you write 0. What is the A? A is equal to 125. It means here you will get, but you don't write direct 10, 20, 30. Here it will be subtracted. Xi minus 40 minus 125. 80 minus 45 you will get here. 80 minus 125. You can't write directly. You will get the di by subtraction. What you are getting? So subtract xi or a or anything. What you want to get, you subtract it. Big numbers or small number. So I am taking this. So 80 minus this, 40 minus this, 8 minus 85. Then here 125, that is plus 75. 300, 175, and then 125, 400 minus 125, what will you get? 75, and 3 minus 1, 275. Like this you are subtracting 400 minus 75 and 3 minus 1, 2. Now you will find the xi fi di. 7 5 ja 36, 7 8 ja 56, 5 5 ja 25, 5 4 ja 20, 22. 12 5 ja 84, 84 plus 6 900. Three 3 5 ja 15, 3 7 ja 21 and 22, 3 2 ja 6 and 2 8. Now you will find the sum of these two, sigma fi di. Here what will you get? 5, 5 plus 2 7, 20, 75. Then you subtract 20, 75 and 820. 20, 75 plus 820. Here you are getting 1225 is this. Now what is the x bar? X bar is equal to a plus b bar. That is a 125 plus 1255 upon 45. Now 125 plus 9 to the 18, 7, 251 divided by 9. 27.88. $97. You will add, not wrong, I have subtracted here. You will add it and get the answer. What is the answer? 152.89. 88 cross, you will get the 89. This is your answer, and by this you can't use in the step deviation method. That's all for today, and next lecture you will start your exercise 14.1. Thanks.